Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and today I'm here to give you a great indicator for those who are trading on binary. We have got support and resistance level already predefined. We have got buyer's momentum, seller momentum, volatility in the pair, and we have got RSI. What is the RSI? And we have got the timesheet as well, and which market is currently open. It's a great uh, indicator, and if you want to use it, we can give you some great trades right now while we are on this video, and you will see how good we can trade on it. But you need to be really active, and you need to take immediately those trades so that you can get some great profits, because it's a 1 minute trade and it's really fast. We need to act on very fast. But before we take the trade, we need to look into the indication. If we get the signals and this bar above is blue and green, we can enter. If it's red, we don't need to enter. So we need to make sure that we have some great trades. We are in London market, and we are waiting for some indicators, for some uh, trades that we can take. So now we are waiting for the signals. I have opened four charts: Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, and GBP USD. So let's hope, wait and watch. Hello guys, we have just missed one buy position here. I will try to enter, as I was looking into some other trade. I have just missed a buy in USD JPY. I will just try to enter the USD JPY buy. Let's see how it goes. It might not go really well, as the indicator has stopped, and we got now two session, Tokyo and London sessions are open, so we are expected to have some great volatility. Let's see. That's great. We have taken a buy, and we are at a very good position. It may not be really favorable, but let's see and wait and watch. I am expecting that I will close in green, and yeah, we are in green. So our first signal, we waited really long time, and we have closed in green. It's my practice account. I'm just trying for you guys, and next session will be in a real account. Now we will expect some great volatility, as our Tokyo and London session is about to start. So we will have some great signals coming up. So let's wait and watch. All right, guys, we are having some great momentum here. We missed this one, but we will wait for it to come down. But meanwhile, I will take one trade on USD JPY. I will click on a buy. I will You will see we are having an indicator for USD JPY, and I missed actually GBP USD. I will try to enter GBP USD, which might be risky, but let me enter it. Let's wait and watch how we get profit from this signals. It has been over for both of the pairs, but let's see, we are going on upward direction in both sides. I'm expecting that both will be ending up in green. So let's wait and watch. It's gonna be like 34 seconds remaining to close. It's 1 minute deal, and so far we are in blue. It means that we can reach in next 25 seconds towards our profit. So it's 22 seconds. We are going higher in GBP USD, as well as on USD JPY. We have a great signal. It's going really upward direction. GBP USD as well, it's at a very edge, it's on a losses, but we might enter a profit or a loss. Yeah, it's, yes, really great. We have taken so far three signals, all of them were success. You can see it went really high, the GBP USD and USD JPY. I took three signals: USD JPY, GBP USD, two from USD, and it was a success. It's a really great indicator. If you wish to contact me and want to buy this indicator, you can always reach me, and we can discuss on my WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number just below this link. Watch all the videos, and I will be preparing some great videos on how to set up this indicator and how you can work out and make some great profits. Thanks for watching Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and we will try to bring you the most profitable indicators, profitable signals to you guys. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.